In some cases, you want to change the wire color or properties of objects, and you don't want to affect everything in the scene, just a few selected items. So what you can do is in Max, select the objects that you want to affect, and inside our Vexus graph, we can open this button that allows us to then populate this list of items with the selected objects. Now, since we don't want to affect every object in the scene, we'll go ahead and remove what we call the wildcard and hit save. And now when we execute the graph, and we'll change this to be green, you'll notice these two objects will only change to be green. And there you go. Now, if you have a bunch of objects in your scene like I do here, and they're a mix of different names, in this case, let's say we want to change all the objects with a name that include box in the name, we can go ahead and do that as well. So we'll go in here and we'll type box, but since some of the objects have characters after box, we can use a wildcard, and what that'll do is accept any character after the word box and change them to be, let's do purple. And we'll go ahead and execute that, and now you can see the objects that have been affected. Now you can string together multiple things here. We can go back and maybe add a few selected items here. So now anything named box that or shape and clock panel will be affected. So go ahead and execute, and there we go. Now what we can do is affect multiple objects, and we don't have to do them all in one node. What we can do is select this and copy and paste it, plug this into the wired color, and maybe in this one we'll pick this guy and we'll type tube, and we'll do a wildcard, so anything with the name tube will be affected. And you can see those change now as well. Change the color here to make it more visible. So you don't have to put all the nodes names inside of one object selector. You can do it across multiple. It's up to you.